Let's begin with some big news that we are getting for you, and this one is from West Bengal. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee along with TMC leader Abhishek Banerjee are holding a protest march, and those are the first set of visuals that we are getting for you. And this protest is against the beginning of the SIR exercise. So Trinamool Congress is against the SIR exercise, special intensive revision exercise that has been launched by the Election Commission. This is the anti-SIR protest that we are witnessing in West Bengal. It is being led by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee along with her nephew and TMC leader Abhishek Banerjee. There you can see both of them on the screens right now, along with other leaders from the Trinamool Congress. And this is coming on a day we are seeing pan-India SIR kicking in. The SIR exercise in other states has also started today. Remember, it began in Bihar ahead of the assembly elections. It was challenged in the Supreme Court as well by leaders from the opposition too. Opposition leaders, of course, raised objections against this SIR exercise. Opposition started its vote chori campaign as well against BJP and the Election Commission after the SIR exercise in fact started. We have my colleague Hridita, who is joining us live right now. Hridita, over to you. Take us through what exactly are the concerns that are being raised by the TMC. Hridita, can you hear me? Okay, we'll try and reconnect with Hridita in just a bit. There's some problem with the audio line out there, but those are the visuals, viewers, that we are getting for you. These visuals are from West Bengal, and here we can see the Chief Minister and other leaders of the Trinamool Congress holding a protest march. Now, this is against SIR exercise that has started in West Bengal and other poll-bound states today.
For opening speech, and also we have to understand that as this rally was for the people as TMC states, because this was people's rally who has been suffering fear by the SIR exercise which is going on, as they completely say that the Election Commission is working under the nose and instruction of the BJP party, especially Amit Shah and Narendra Modi. Several times they have said that the Election Commission is the pocket man of Amit Shah and Narendra Modi. You can see the stage has been the stage is here where Mamata Banerjee, the General Secretary of the party, Abhishek Banerjee, Firhad Hakim, Arup Biswas, all the top leadership of the party is standing, and they are to address this huge crowd who has come as a support system to this rally and participated in this rally, as they call this as an systematic invisible rigging instead of systematic revision of the voter list. We also have the rally has also been walked by the 4 families among the 7 who have been alleged as causing suicide, as committing suicide due to SIR, as the party leadership has also gone to the first suicide case that has taken place in Panihati, the family of them. Also, the Matua families who are under the complete scanner, regular scanner, as TMC claims, and BJP is also trying to safeguard them with this Matua community being under scanner. They have also participated in this very rally held by Mamata Banerjee, and also we understand that the four pillars of the rally, as Mamata Banerjee said, was the religious leaders, after which the players, journalists, actors, after which the workers, and then the leaders, because Mamata Banerjee in the start of her rally had clearly said that the leaders are only for the workers, and that is why this rally has been called up to only safeguard the interest of people. Earlier also we have seen the party's general secretary making various announcements saying that if BJP comes to check your identification proofs, then you have to question them and ask them for their identification proofs. And And on the other hand, we have also seen that they have been time and again interrupting to the media. As my camera person shows you visual, you can see that the Matua community entering the spot here in the Joda Chako Thakurbari. This is the visuals as they play their traditional instruments like dhamsha and carry their flag. They are also here to protect, to walk in the rally of SIR, as they say that this is a protection against their livelihood or their identity, citizenship in Bengal. We also get to understand, as Abhishek Banerjee time and again has said, that 2002 cannot be the benchmark of the identification proofs, but if that is so, then how was the next election cause taken place? How did the other election, especially 2014 or 18th election, taken into account? If all this is happening, if SIR is to happen, then the entire voter list is to be cancelled. Also, during various assemblies, he has said that the 24 election should also be cancelled, as the leadership should actually come down from their positions, and that is the reason due to which they are holding this rally today. It was a 3.8 kilometers rally of about 2 hours, and you can see the massive lineup of people who has come to support this rally and walk in this rally of TMC, as they arrange for it from different communities, from lawyers, teachers, and in fact the most sacred, questionable community, which is the Matua community, where politics is going on from the side of BJP also is happening, where BJP is alleging them that this is their vote bank and how can they be given that assistantship. On that other side also, TMC today, by bringing the Matua community, proves that the Matua community is also under danger. So you can see as the stage is all ready to hear from the party's top leadership, which is Mamta Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee.
Well, we'll wait and see what exactly will the Chief Minister of West Bengal, TMC Chief Mamta Banerjee, has to say. What we are witnessing, viewers, right now are visuals from West Bengal, where, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee, Trinamool Congress's top leadership, and Trinamool National General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee, along with others, in fact, have hit the streets. It is a mega rally in Kolkata that we are witnessing. It's called as For the Rights of People Against So-Called Special Intensive Revision, which is actually silent, invisible rigging. Now, that's something that the TMC has said about SIR exercise that has already started in West Bengal. Rinita, I request you to stay on with us. Now, viewers, house-to-house enumeration of special intensive revision of electoral rolls officially starts today. This exercise is taking place in 12 states. It's not just West Bengal, it's happening in 12 different states and union territories. And this will be concluding on 7th of February with the publication of final electoral roll. But what's interesting is the political drama around the exercise. First, TMC-led Mamta government in Bengal is leading the charge against centre and EC for rolling out SIR in 12 states. TMC calls it a politically motivated revision aimed at disenfranchising minorities and marginalized groups. Mamta's nephew, Abhishek Banerjee, has also called for man-marking of booth-level officers, a move strongly criticized by the BJP. Listen in to these reactions.
SIR को मुद्दा बनाने की कोशिश हो रही है, जबकि बंगाल की असली मुद्दा अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है। लास्ट सालों में पूरे भारत में जितना FDI आया है उसका 0.61% वेस्ट बंगाल में आया है। महिलाओं के साथ बलात्कार हो रहा है, दैट इज द इशू। इन सब इशुओं को दबाने के लिए ममता बनर्जी और अभिषेक बनर्जी
एक तरह का NRC है, ये पूरा ऑपोजिशन कह रहा है। आसाम में क्यों नहीं हुआ, ये सबसे बड़ा सबूत है कि ये NRC है। आसाम में 2013 से लेकर 2019 तक NRC हुआ, 3 करोड़ से ज्यादा जनता ने अपना कागज दिखाया। ठीक है, तो अब अगर आसाम में SIR होगा तो आसाम की जनता को, बीजेपी को जवाब देना पड़ेगा कि NRC का क्या हुआ। तो इस एक ऑकवर्ड सिचुएशन से, इस दुविधा से बचने के लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी आसाम में SIR नहीं कर रही है।
BLOs को डराया जा रहा है। जिस प्रकार से ममता बनर्जी से लेकर टीएमसी के सभी मंत्री और नीचे पंचायत तक के अधिकारी लोगों को डराने और धमकाने का काम कर रहे हैं। उसकी तरफ भी हमने इलेक्शन कमीशन का ध्यान आकर्षित किया है। एसआईआर को सफल बनाने के लिए ये जरूरी है कि पश्चिम बंगाल में जो सत्तारूढ़ दल है उस पर उचित कार्रवाई हो और उपयुक्त निर्देश दिए जाए। जिस प्रकार से वहां के बीएलओ केंद्रीय सुरक्षा की मांग कर रहे हैं, उससे यह स्पष्ट है कि ममता बनर्जी और टीएमसी एसआईआर को लेकर चिंतित है। वो जानते हैं कि उनका पूरा जनादेश फर्जी वोटरों के आधार पर बना है।
Viewers, the DMK has taken a step ahead in attacking the Election Commission and the SIR exercise. They filed a petition in the Supreme Court challenging